So today I'll be showing you how to change the screen resolution on your OnePlus 13. Go to settings. Under settings, go to display and brightness, tap on that, and then scroll down until you get to screen resolution, tap on that, and then you have the standard resolution, which is going to be my default. It should be default on yours as well. So from here, if you want the higher resolution, you can always tap on that, and then that's going to turn on the 4K resolution or Quad HD. So just tap OK. It's going to take a couple of seconds and adjust the resolution to the highest possible, which is a ridiculous 3168 by 1440. So that makes everything on the screen sharper, all the images sharper, every video you watch sharper. But of course, that comes at a cost of battery life. Okay, so if you want to, you can select standard, or you can choose auto select. Now, when you choose this option, like it says here, it saves power by automatically switching the screen resolution depending on the display content. So depending on whether you need or whether the phone feels like you need the higher resolution, so it's going to keep it at standard. And when it feels like you need the higher resolution, it's going to always adjust to the higher resolution. So I prefer to leave it at that or at that for most of the time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.